Hello, my name is Даулет. We will now talk about the development stages of the user interface. I am talking about the basics of user interface development. My partner Ali will continue this topic. Let's start with what user interface development means. User interface development is the development of websites, web applications, mobile applications, and software development. User interface plays a key role in the software development life cycle. Most people assume user interface development solutions are creating the websites and writing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But user interface goes far beyond this. The goal of the user interface is to make the user's interaction as simple and efficient as possible in terms of accomplishing user goals. User experience only front and interaction, the look and feel of the website application, and they don't think about the back and or what is written and why. Users need to feel engaged and easy when they visit our website. That's where the user interface development process comes into the picture to fulfill this task. Uh, user interface user interface services can be divided into two phases in website application software development. One is research and mm, one is research one is research plus design. Two is development. Research and analysis are all about users, projects, stakeholders, and gathering their input to create and requirements document that includes personas, users scenarios, and user experience evaluation matrix. Research is usually done by business analytics and a user experience team. Both team collect all information and input from users and project holders in order with developers and project managers. And finally, they prepare final documentation. With the help of documentation, UX team start design process. They first create the environment, but idea to the project stakeholders and users. Wireframes and presented as a comprehensive set of screen layout consisting of black and white sketches of every screen in the application. At this point, the visual and graphic design process have not yet begun. In this picture, wireframe example. The next step in the process is to create prototypes what will simulate the real application. The prototype can be contained on all future, but it actually does nothing. It merely simulates the behind of a real application, and users can see color combinations and minimal functionality. Wireframes, sketches, and prototypes are done by UX designers. Tools to create wireframes and prototypes. It's Balsamic maskups, Axure, Giphy, iPhone maskup in design, Photoshop, Fireworks, and Dreamweaver. Next, continue, Ali.
My name is Ali, my partner Даулет. I'm talking about the role and the responsible of youth. Other experienced designer is one of the most in-demand creative industry jobs right now. Or the shoot, shoot on the typical UX designer job description, education, and skills requirements, as well as UX designer salary benchmarks. As both mobile and web development continue to boom and the lines between design and technology increasing blur, the demand for other experience designers remains robust. It is a hot area. Many creative professionals seem to realize this according to the creative groups creative creative workplace survey. Web and UX design was cited as the core of area creative professionals want to develop their skills, but sometimes it is not clear where the UX designer jobs description begins and ends. People when lumped with other interface interaction designer and other design and development function fun, functions. Ellen and Nuts Hell, the UX designer is responsible for how product website fails. The UX designer's jobs it is to the role in the author uh, underlying emotional and functional needs then helps on those curious, creative and experience. The UX designer creative, satisfying or compelling experience for other of product, often drawing on results from other research on work workflow analysis. Generally, UX designer needs both a strong creative, technical, and problem-solving skills. The UX design role and involving physical storytelling and the computer science as well. Areas of focus. My uncle, my uncle content controls with design. Skills in problem solving and organizational organizational creative pace and attention to detail are scales to samples in this file always play up the affirmational strength when removing uh, uh, consulting, sorry, creating product prototypes, developing personal what's that's feedback and action buttons, tools, visual data, analytical, prototyping, calibration, other testing, port devices. So, thank you.